Hi guys, today we will be unboxing the TECNO T901 model. Let's get right to it. This phone has a Kai operating system. It has access to 3G network. It is a very fast, easy to carry phone which supports WhatsApp, Facebook and YouTube. And that's surprising because it's a really small phone, but you can WhatsApp with it, you can Facebook with it, and you can watch YouTube videos with this phone. And it has a 24 months warranty, which means that you can actually return a defective phone in the space of 2 years as long as you bought it from a registered phone dealer. It has dual SIM and also a port for your SD card, your memory card. This is to extend your memory, with a front camera and a rear camera. It has a 512 MB ROM and also a 256 MB RAM. It is Bluetooth enabled. It has a radio and a battery capacity of 1900 mAh. One of the fun things about this phone is for MTN users, once you get this phone, you get access to free data of 500 MB for 6 months. All you have to do is just dial the code. As you can see the code in the video, just dial the code and you get your free data. This mobile device, I believe, is suitable for old people, so you can get this for your folks, you can get this for family members, because it's so easy to operate. It has buttons, it's not confusing, also easy to carry, and you can do some basic browsing and research with it also. It's also good for someone who has a smartphone but who also likes to have just a small phone just to carry around and go about your business. This phone comes with a charger and a battery. Finally, you can get this phone on computervillage.ng. I would like to hear your feedback. I would like to get your reviews. Feel free to drop your reviews or your comments down below. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.